Yeah, so we'll be starting with a new topic called differentiation. Yeah, whose theory you are done, but we have a lot to do with what is that for competitive exams. What we have done in theory is not enough, okay? Many shortcut formulas and too many new things you will have to learn, all right? So, shall we go ahead with the new topic? It's called differentiation. Fine. And you had continuity as well, differentiation and continuity. So, in continuity, it's somewhat similar to that of limits. So, when we do the sums only, I'll discuss that with you, okay? Yeah. There's like a lower limit and upper limit when you substitute. The value, if it is same, it is continuous. Like left hand limit and for right hand limit, if the value is same, the function is said to be continuous, otherwise it is discontinuous. That's the only thing there, okay? So, we had discussed something similar in limits. So, you can use that for solving things, okay? So, anyways, I'll go with differentiation. So, initially you'll have to learn a lot of formulas, okay, which you already know. So, let me just discuss with you, that's it. I'll not write it for you, yeah. So, can you tell me what's differentiation of a constant? Differentiation of constant is 0. Can you please write down? Yeah. So, differentiation of constant is 0 and differentiation of e power x. Differentiation of e power x is e power x. Yeah. D by dx of log x. What's d by dx of log x? 1 by x. D by dx of sin x, it is cos x. Are you all writing? Yeah. So, d by dx of tan x, it is secant square x. Yeah. So, d by dx of x to the power n x to the power n minus 1. So, next it is d by dx of a power x log a. Next it is d by dx of log x to the base a. This is something new, right? You can rewrite it as log x to the base e divided by log a to the base e, whereas log a to the base e is a constant. So, you are writing only what? You are only differentiating this. So, it will be 1 by x. So, can you please copy this? Yeah. Yeah. So, I will show you the new formulas, okay. Yeah, we will go with some more. I think others we had discussed, right? What's differentiation of sine inverse x? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Differentiation of cos inverse x, 1 by root of 1 minus x square, but on the top you will have what sign? Minus sign. All right, no? Yeah. And yeah, we have a new formula. You please write down, okay? It's like a shortcut for you. It's yeah, I'll write here. E power ax, differentiation of e power ax into sin bx. Yeah, one formula is simple, okay? E power ax into a sin bx plus b cos bx. But other formula is new, you never had it. It's a square plus b square e power ax sin of bx plus tan inverse b by a. That's a constant, right? Yeah. Yeah, please copy this. Yeah, next one, right? These are something new and they are also the shortcuts, okay? Please try the next one. Instead of sin put b, instead of sin put cos. Yeah. So what you do is here it will be cos and here it will be minus b sin ax, sin bx. And here instead of sin put cos. So please write it down. It's a new formula which serves as a shortcut, okay? Yeah. Then what is product rule or UV rule? We had discussed other day, right? When we discussed the first PU topic. Is it product rule is UV rule, right? You write as it is, differentiate V. I'll just write V dash because I don't know with respect to what. Minus V and differentiate U. This is Y and this is Y dash. That's the differentiation. Similarly, did we learn for U by V? Y dash is V into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator whole divided by denominator square. So, can you copy this? Yeah. And the new one is when you have three terms, then Y dash is write UV as it is, differentiate W, write UW as it is, differentiate V, and write VW as it is, differentiate U. Done. These are the product and quotient rules even when there are three terms, okay? Yeah. I'll tell you when you get what to substitute, okay? Please write down. Yeah, please write this down. When you have when you have root of a square minus x square, what can we put? Yeah. Do we know 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta and 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta? But instead of 1 you have a, right? So put x equal to, either you would put earlier x equal to sin theta, now put x equal to a sin theta. Or put x equal to, a cos theta. Please write it down. What will you put for this? Do we know 1 plus tan square theta is? What is 1 plus tan square theta? Secant square theta, right? So can you put x is a tan theta or x is a cot theta? Yeah, next one. What secant square theta minus 1 tan square theta, right? So what when you have x square minus a square? Please write. You put x equal to a what? Secant theta, right? Yeah. So x equal to a secant theta or a cosecant theta. Yeah, please copy this. It'll go very fast. Yeah. What if you have something like this? We had tried in the previous sessions. Yeah. So only way you can do it is we know one formula that 1 minus cos 2 theta and 1 plus cos 2 theta. Even if it comes up and down, do the same thing. Fine. So put x equal to yeah. You put x equal to a cos 2 theta. Put x equal to a cos 2 theta. And same thing if it is x, if it's like this, right? Yeah, I'll change it and give. What if it is a square minus x square divided by a square plus x square? Then go with put x square equal to, somewhat similar you have to make, okay? Put x square equal to a square cos 2 theta. Correct, no? Somewhat similar, but instead of a you have a square. So put x square equal to a cos 2 theta. We had done one similar sum in the synopsis when I did for inverse trigonometry. One sum I had done. It came from here, okay? So please write, put x square equal to a square cos 2 theta. Go ahead. What if it's ax minus x square, a new thing? You put x equal to a sine square theta for this, not upper thing, only this. If you have ax minus x square, put x equal to a sine square theta. Is that okay? Yeah. Write more, okay? What if it is x divided by a plus x the whole root, x divided by a plus x the whole root, put x equal to a tan square theta, put x equal to a tan square theta. This you have to put and simplify, okay. Last one or two, root of x divided by a plus x if you have, that we did, no? Yeah, sorry. X by a minus x if you have a minus x. If you have that, what to do? Put x equal to a sine square theta. Put x equal to a sine square theta. Then go ahead, root of, right, okay, root of x minus a, like this, root on single line, root of x minus a into x minus b, yeah. Then you have to put x equal to a secant square theta, x equal to a secant square theta minus b tan square theta. And other one, here b minus x, if x root of x minus a into b minus x is there, right, x equal to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta, x equal to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. Are you done? Yeah. So, when do you use logarithm? What if you have something like x to the power sin x, isn't it like f of x to the power g of x? Correct, right? If you have f of x to the power g of x, correct, no? Yeah, what we do is normally we take y equal to f of x to the power g of x. Take log on both sides. Log y is g of x. What's log a power b? G of x log f of x. Correct, right? Yeah. So, then you would normally do, but I'll give you the shortcut, please write. Yeah, it is dy by dx equal to f of x to the power g of x, f of x to the power g of x is equal to f of x, again I will repeat, differentiation of d by dx of f of x to the power g of x equal to f of x to the power g of x into d by dx of no need of doing all this taking log and all that, directly write, yeah, it's like this. I'll tell you, write x to the power sin x and directly do x into sin x differentiation. Take differentiation of x into sin x. So, what will you get? Yeah, so what do we get? Give me a second, okay. Here g of x is who? Sin x and log of x. This you have to differentiate directly using UV rule, okay. Done, that's it. So, answer will be x to the power sin x into, write sin x as it is, log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is sin x is cos x, done, that is the thing. So, what is the shortcut? Shortcut I wrote here, f of x to the power g of x into d by dx of g of x log of f of x, that is the thing. Can you do that? Then you had learnt about implicit differentiation, right? What's implicit differentiation? For example, x to the power y, sorry, x to the power 3 plus x square y plus xy square plus 100, something like this they will give. What to do is differentiate, okay. So, this is 3x square plus UV rule x square dy by dx plus y into 2x plus x as it is, y square is 2y, but this is not y, right, this is not x, no. So, you have to differentiate again, plus y square into x is 1 plus 100 is 0 equal to 0. So, what you do is you keep these two terms here, rest you take to the other side as negative. So, what is dy by dx? X square plus 2xy minus xy square minus 2xy. So, if you want dy by dx, this divided by this, done. Is that okay? Yeah. Please copy this, okay. Yeah. Then you will have something like this, okay. Y is equal to x to the power x to the power x to the power dot 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 infinity. Correct, right? Yeah. So, if you forget the first x, isn't it x to the power y only? This is y. Take log on both sides. Log y is y log x. Use UV rule, 1 by y dy by dx is y into 1 by x plus log x into dy by dx. Yeah. So if you want, we finally want dy by dx, right? So simply take the y up. Fine, no? And yeah, wherever y is there, put the value x power y. You're done. Is that okay? Yeah. But one thing, you have to bring this here, no? Because even this has dy by dx term. Correct? Yeah. Then take dy by dx common. I'll show you that, okay? Yeah. Sorry. So is it 1 by y minus log x dy by dx is equal to y by x. So when you take LCM, it will be y log x, right? So whose dy by dx, y by x into this y will come up divided by 1 minus y log x. Done. That's it. Please copy this. Yeah, what is parametric? What is parametric differentiation? Parametric andre namdu parameters untalva. You coming to college will depend on what? Will depend on how much traffic is there, how early you woke up, or how late you got ready, all that, correct? So you reaching on time depends on all these parameters. So x is a cos theta kottu, y is b sin theta kotre, x and y depends on theta, right? So it is the parameter is theta. Idan ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ you first find dx by d theta, a constant, cos theta is minus sin theta. Here put b, differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. So if you want dy by dx, it's dy by d theta by dx by d theta, which is b cos theta by minus a sin theta. So isn't it minus b by a cot theta? So doing this is called parametric differentiation. Is that okay? Yeah, there's a small difference between d and dou. I'll show you what is dou, okay? Suppose y equal to, I'll put two parameters, x and sin t. So if you do like this, see, little cross, okay, dou y by dou t. When you take t, x cube is treated like constant, so it will be x cube, it's a constant. Sin t is cos t. So you tell me what's dou y by dou x. Sin t is a constant. Yeah, so what will you do? Differentiate only x cube. So isn't it 3x square? Yeah, done. That's it. Okay. Yeah. I'll just show you one shortcut, okay, which was your board level sum, but in CET we can't afford to spend time. Suppose y equal to a power sine inverse t and x equal to a to the power cos inverse t. So you had to find dy by dx, okay. So what I'll do is, you have to find dy by dx. You have to do dy by dt and dx by dt, correct, no? And it will take too much time. So one option is, have we learnt in inverse trigonometry that sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is 1? Sorry, is 90 pi by 2. So we'll use that logic. I'll just do x into y. Isn't it a sine inverse t into a cos inverse t? What's x bar a into x bar b? X power a plus b. Isn't it a to the power pi by 2? Isn't it a constant? Correct? Now this you can do UV rule, right? X y dash plus y equal to 0. So who is y dash? Isn't it minus y by x? Yeah, that's it, okay. Yeah, so getting this right. Yeah. So I think you are following that much, right? Yeah, we'll go ahead, okay. What's chain rule? I'll give one example. Sine of root of tan square, if I do, we are stuck. tan cube log of a power 3x. Like this, if they give, this is y. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to keep on differentiating till you get one simple term, okay? So who is y dash? First, who is there? Sine, right? What's differentiation of sine? Cos. Remaining right like that only. Log of a power 3x. After this, who comes? Root, right? So 1 by 2 root. Whenever root comes, you have to do 1 by 2 root, okay? Yeah. Tan cube log of a to the power 3x. Correct, no? That is, yeah. Now don't strike this, okay? This is cos of theta. You have no connection with that, yeah. But root is done. After root, you have tan or something cube, right? So anything, what's x cube? 3x square, right? So it will be 3 tan square log a power 3x. Yeah. After tan, okay, not tan, you got tan cube, x cube done. Now this is not x, right? It is tan. So tan is secant square log a to the power 3x. Now tan is done, cube is done, tan is done. Get in into, you have log. Log is 1 by x. What's differentiation of log x? 1 by x. So 1 by a power, instead of x, you have a power 3x. Okay, now last thing. Who is a power x? A power x log a. But is it x or 3x? 3x. So differentiation of 3x is 3. This much you will get and you will stop there. Is that okay? Yeah. Can you please write it down? This rule is called chain rule. It's also called as composite rule. Yeah. Yeah. So y equal to x cube. Differentiate thrice. You call it as successive differentiation. ಒಂದು differentiation ಆದ ನಂತರ ಪುನಃ thrice ಬೇಡ, we'll try thrice. So first time ಮಾಡುವಾಗ x cube becomes 3x square. Second time ಮಾಡುವಾಗ x square is 2x. Third time ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 6 will remain, x is 1. So yeah, when you differentiate thrice, it became 6. Once more differentiate, isn't it 0? Correct, right? Yeah. So this is what you mean by, what is this? Successive differentiation. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ವೆನೆವರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ u by v, that v if you take it to other side, it will become on the other side uv rule, which is easier than solving u by v rule. Is that okay? Yeah. Yeah, this one you copy and also try x to the power 60. Try y to the power, I want you to do 4 times. Yeah. Yeah. So can you get this? First time when you do 60 x to the power 59. Second time 60 into 59 x to the power 58. Third time 60 into 59 into 58 x to the power 57. Once more you do 60 into 59 into 58 x to the power 50. Sorry, 60 into 59, 58 into 57 x to the power 56. They will ask you find y to the power 4 of 0. 0 ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ x ಉಂಟಲ್ವಾ, so put instead of x you put 0, answer will be 0. Is that okay? Yeah. So next one ಏನು ಮಾಡುವ ಅಂದರೆ there is you have not done this, okay? Yeah, but it's something very easy. Yeah, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂದ್ರೆ you know determinants, right? Yeah, you know determinants, and here I'll not give what is that? I'm not giving you the constants. I'm giving you functions starting from PQR. Okay, suppose I start like PQR STU VWX X bed aita. It will look like UVWXY don't want. I'll take Z. Because if I give x, y, they look like variables, right? So I'll put this. If this is y, its differentiation is not difficult, okay? What you do is second line write as it is. First line you differentiate p dash, q dash, r dash plus write first line as it is. Third line as it is. I think you got the point. Second line you differentiate. All right, no? And last one, first two line write as it is. Last line differentiate. Yeah. So it works like this, okay? Yeah, I didn't write x because it looks like variable x. When you differentiate with respect to x, it would be 1. So adu bere kantadanta madlilla aita. That's it. Yeah. So can you please copy this? It's something new. Yeah. So please write and also do this, okay? What if it was only 2 lines? PQRS. ಎರಡೇ ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿ. P dash Q dash ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ PQ R dash and S dash. Yeah. So I think we covered most of the things. One last set of shortcut formulas I'll give. Shortcut formulas use ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಫೈನ್. Please copy both. Yeah. So shall we go ahead? You got this, right? You need it, okay? It's an important one. Yeah. So one more is what is differentiation of integral functions? Andre, you know that limit from here to here, right? So if you have something like g1x in the, it's a function, it's not a constant. g2x tanaka, if you are going to differentiate it with respect to x, but here you have f of t and dt. ಹೀಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಯಾ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ರೈಟ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಟಿ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ g2x into d by dx of, ಯಾ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಯುವರ್ g2x ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ g2x is sin x, g1x is tan square x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ what if f of t is t square? T dalli you put here, this was sin x, right? Like that. So it will be sin x the whole square. Got it? Yeah. After that you have to do minus, always upper limit minus lower limit alva, minus f of n baritiri g1x into d by dx of g1x. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಪುನಃ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್, ಓಕೆ? ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಯಾ. Yeah. Are you getting this? Okay. So we'll do one more, okay? Some more shortcut formulas I'll give. Please copy that. We had done something like this, right? Y is equal to f of x to the power f of x to the power f of x dot 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 infinity ಒಂದು ಸಮ ಆಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ ವೈ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಉದ್ದ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ ಡಾಟ್ 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 ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಸಾರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ ವೈ, ತುಂಬ ಉದ್ದ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಯುವರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ simply y square, ಆಯಿತಾ, into differentiation of your this one of the function. ಇದು y ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ dy by dx, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಯಾ. ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟ್? ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್, ಪುನಃ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಬರೀರಿ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನನ್ನು. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಐ ಶೋ ಯು, ಓಕೆ? y equal to x bar infinity ಇದ್ದರೆ you would simply write x bar y and do, but now no need. Y square into what's f dash of x, what's differentiation of x? 1 divided by who is f of x? X only. 1 minus y log of x. Do you know log of x is 1 by x? That's the answer, okay? You could just take it in y square by x minus y, done. because x cancels, right? So, this is a shortcut. Is that okay? Yeah. Yeah. Are you done? Yeah. Check the next one. That's if y equal to root of 1 plus g of x by 1 minus g of x. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಓಕೆ y ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ನೆನಪಿಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ನೋ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹಿಯರ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೊಕಲ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗೋದಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ ಡನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆ Then sometimes you get something like this, right? Y is equal to root of log x plus root of log x plus root of log x plus dot dot dot. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ವುಡ್ ಡು ಯಾ ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ಗಿಂತ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಓಕೆ yeah, they are giving it as y equal to root of f of x plus root of f of x plus root of f of x plus so on. Correct, right? Up to infinity. Idu sumne y dash is, you can directly write f dash of x divided by 2y minus 1. Andre f dash of x andre illi who is your x? This guy, right? Log x. So, simply write 1 by x divided by 2y minus 1. That's your differentiation. Is that okay? Yeah. Yeah, I think we did more or less, give me a second. Yeah. More or less many sums we did, okay? So, not sums, yeah, sums also we did, many things we learned. So, can you please practice and come because unless you practice, you will forget it, okay? Yeah, we'll stop it here.